Ready to turn your offer into sold in the competitive Georgia real estate market using Gamls. First, log into your Gamls account. This is your gateway to submitting offers. Next, navigate to the specific listing your client is interested in. Take a thorough look at all the listing details, including disclosures, showing instructions, and any seller preferences mentioned, and these can often be found in the agent-only remarks section. Now, it's time to complete the GAR purchase and sale agreement. You can typically access this from your brokerage's online forms platform, such as Loop or Transaction Desk. Fill out every section meticulously. Pay close attention to key details like the property address, legal description, purchase price, earnest money amount, proposed closing date, and any contingencies like financing or inspections. Let's zero on some crucial sections. The purchase price must be competitive for the area. The closing date should align with your client's needs while being attractive to the seller. Earnest money demonstrates your client's commitment. Generally, 1% of the purchase price is standard, but in a hot market, consider increasing it. Don't forget the special stip section. This is where you can add custom clauses. For instance, you might include a request for the seller to pay for specific repairs or provide a home warranty. Assemble all required supporting documents. This usually includes a pre-approval letter from your client's lender, proof of funds for the down payment and closing costs, and any relevant disclosures. Now, back in Gamls, locate the section for submitting offers. This may be labeled something like Submit Offer or Make an Offer. Upload the completed GAR purchase and sale agreement, all supporting documents, and any other required forms as PDFs. Double-check the offer submission deadline and make sure to submit before it. Late offers may not be considered. Finally, follow up with the listing agent to confirm they received your offer and address any questions they may have. Good luck, and here's to getting your offer accepted.